I I've got this is Chief Premier 2020. I mean, Chief Premier X12. And I've got what I think is about the dimensions of your house. And I just wanted to kind of run through this just to the dormer for the door over here. I'm going to temporarily go over here to the structure tab, but Home Designer Pro's roof tools and Chief Premier's tools are identical. There's no difference. Okay, I'm going to go over here to the finished ceiling and just set that to 12 inches temporarily. And then I'm going to change the pitch. Probably 8. I'm guessing because we didn't provide that information. I'm going to start out with 18. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. We'll try that. And I'll adjust it if I'm going to right-click drag. Right-click drag. Yeah, that one's goofy because the baseline is not right on the edge of the wall like the other one I drew. There we go. We'll join the ridge and take a look. If it looks anything like, yeah, kind of, sort of. Okay. So we'll set the overhang at 18. Oh, I got to put in minus 18. So it goes to the other side of the wall. Minus 18. Okay, now I'm not going to go, now I'm going to go over here. I don't have a lot of roofs on. I can go back here and put the ceiling at where a decent, put it back to 9 feet. And with that, oh, okay. Not exactly like yours, but it's probably, I think it's close enough. Okay. I guess I'll tile the screen, Shift F6. Yep, there we go. Now over here, excuse me, what I'm going to do is use the, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to put a door there. I know it won't show initially, but I need to click on this screen. Yeah. Click on door. So initially, let me turn that so you can see what, click on this screen and click on the, yeah, there we go. So there's that door I put in. I think it's a lot bigger than yours. But I was just guessing. Okay, so there's the door. I'm going to take the door on this screen and center it on that wall, just for symmetry's sake. Okay, now to get that covered in there, what I'm going to do is click on this roof plane and use the brake line tool on either side of the door. So I can do that. Okay. Now we're only part of the way there, and if you wanted this to look decent, then I'll tell you what. I'm going to put I'm going to make it a little fancier than usual. I'm going to make it go around it with railing walls. And we'll make that 5 feet wide. I'm going to take these 3 walls here and use the centering tool on the door because the door's already centered. It was pretty close. Okay. Now, I'm going to draw the roof out here so I have a covered porch kind of thing. So this is probably set to 1612 also, but I guess it doesn't matter. In Pro, you can change the pitch after the fact and manually edit this stuff. So we'll do that ridge there. I don't know, it kind of looks okay. Create some overhang. Okay. So now I'm going to click on this edge and use the join roofs with this edge that I created manually. And let's see. I think for this to work, I need to, get rid of this break here. But the join roofs tool doesn't work very good on two lines. It'll do one line to one line like that. Okay, now I'm going to take this again and break it over here, just right next to this wall, but up here. And then make this a 90-degree angle. I need to take that and make sure that it's parallel, perpendicular and stuff. Okay, same thing on the other side. Break line tool. Line it up with the outside of the porch wall. And bring that into perpendicular. And when you're manually editing roofs, it's very easy to throw them out of parallel or perpendicular. So I use this tool a lot while I'm editing. I'm bringing it in dead close. Now this is all pretty good except for the holes in the house. Whether you add a porch or not, that's going to have to be dealt with. Now I'm going to take these walls here and reprogram them. I'm going to get rid of the railing by going to rail style and make it open, and then get rid of these other railing attributes. So now I got these two posts. Then we'll tell it right here to be post to beam. That'll hold up the roof over the porch. Go to newels and balusters and make those 4x4s, 3.5. There we go. And pretty much it. So now we have something there to hold up the porch. And I'm going to name this. I clicked over there. We'll name it porch so it has a concrete floor. And for drainage, you want it, porch is slightly lower than the house. So I'm going to put its floor at -3 inches for that reason. See how it changed it to concrete. Now these sides, I'm going to, okay. See, this roof's right next to the wall and this roof edge is right there. So what I'm going to do, or try to do, this is completely extemporaneous, so give me a break. I'm going to draw that wall right there. Of course, you can't see it. That's okay. I'm going to move it. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to open it and program it on the roof tab to roof cuts wall at bottom, so that the roof, so that the wall rests on the roof plane. See how that fills in? Oh, I can just notice something on this wall and this wall. There's a checkbox I missed, and it's on. Let's see, where is that? I think it's rail style. Yeah. Auto half post. I don't want a half post at the wall, so I'm gonna mark that as none. You get rid of that wood against the house. See how that wall's sitting on the roof? See, I want to. Okay, I got to click on this screen and then rotate it to the other side. Still got a hole on the other side, so I'm going to do the same thing over here with the exterior wall tool. Whoops, it didn't select. And I need to select the screen. There we go. And then, see, I'm going to draw that right on the edge of this roof plane here. See, it's that wall sitting on top of it. And it's kind of goofy looking right now until you open this setting here. Go to the roof tab. Roof cuts wall at bottom. Oh, the siding's facing the wrong way, so I'm gonna flip the layers using this tool here, reverse layers. Here. That's what it looks like on the outside. Now, I don't know if that's what you intended, but that's a way to handle that. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, look, that's exactly what I intended. Okay. So there you are. To get this sort of a thing here, whether you want this porch or not, you're going to have to do it manually. There's no automatic or dormer tool won't work for that. You have to draw this in manually. Okay, I hope this helps you and others who might view the video. And whether it does or not, have a great day.